Hey Travel fam, what's up? It's me, Travelingtio. So I'm home in Grand Rapids, Michigan. So I moved here 3 years ago. I'm going to my fourth, I think. And I don't think I only have been like almost 2 hours north. I'm definitely not going to the UP today. I'm just gonna drive north, and we're gonna explore some of the towns around Lake Michigan, and because I know they're gorgeous. So yeah, got no plans, so I'm gonna just hit the road, start driving north, and check out some of the towns. I'm gonna show you around, so let's see what we can find. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.
Hey Travel fam, welcome back to another episode of Travelingtio. This time, I just found this nice spot. First time here. It is definitely one of my favorites in Michigan. Welcome to Leland, Michigan.
Hey Travel fam, what's up? It's me, Travelingtio. We are in Leland, Michigan. Small fish town. Seems very cute. It has an old Fishtown area. Very, very cute, very unique. Never seen something like this. Definitely feels like I'm in another country. So let's check it out. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let me know.
Before it became a cozy, colorful fish town that we know today, this area was home of the Ottawa people, who fished at the natural ladder where the Carp River meets the lake. Fast forward to the 1850s, Antoine Mazeau built a dam and a sawmill here, which created the lake Leland and turned Leland into a busy logging center.
And this is the way to the hotel. Hey, Travel fam. So yeah, so this comes from the lake and then goes to Lake Michigan this way. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be here. I think this is just for people staying in the lodge in the hotel behind me. But hey, we had to do it. So cool.
By the late 1800s, Leland was booming. It was a major wooding station for steamers and even had an iron furnace built in 1870 to process ore from the Upper Peninsula. Alongside the logging came thriving fishing fleet. That's how Fishtown was born. Breakwaters built in 1937 gave the local fishing industry another boost, until the 1940s when the whitefish and trout population decreased. Commercial fishing faded, but tourism stepped in to take its place. Leland has been welcoming travelers since 1990s, with hotels, wine tasting, and art scene. Today, the historic Fishtown district still looks like an old commercial fishing village. Think weather wooden shanties, docks, fishing tugs, but many of those shanties now house little shops and eateries, very cute and charming, like the village Shanty and the Carlson Fishery.
Days like today slowly fade away. You know that days like today slowly fade away. And if I don't do nothing, don't you know, that's okay.
Fantastic. Thank you. Every Wednesday.
Sounds really good.
Every Wednesday, it's 7:30, 9:30, the old workout.
You can stroll the boardwalks, pop into galleries, try regional specialty like smoked whitefish or trout, and even grab a ferry to North and South Manitou Island for a day of hiking or overnight camping adventure. If you're into views, the short Clay Cliff Loop hike gives you one of the best Lake Michigan panoramas. And of course, don't miss the Van Beach. It's pretty soft sand, clear waters, and it feels like a Caribbean, just amazing. One more thing that I love about Leland, it's super welcoming to pets. So if you travel with your dog, you're covered with plenty of dog-friendly activities. This little village blends history, scenery, and Great Lakes culture like nowhere else.
Hey, Travel fam. So yeah, that was Leland, Michigan. So nice, very nice little fish town. People are friendly. Parking, yeah, that was a struggle. Parking, but other than that, very nice town. I'm gonna add it to your USA getaway list of the little towns. And now we are driving back south. See what else we can find in our way down. So stay tuned.
Hey, Travel fam. So yeah, this is Leland, Michigan. I hope you enjoy the view. I hope you join me to explore more of Michigan, the United States, and actually the world. So if you want any recommendations, let me know. Drop it in the comments. And if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. Help me reach my goal for 500 subscribers this year. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.